Pradeep K. Suri is an experienced AI/ML architect, consultant, and author with over 40 years of expertise in the engineering, process, and service industries. He has a strong background in integrating artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into complex sectors like aerospace and manufacturing. Suri has designed and implemented AI-driven solutions tailored to optimizing operations and ensuring seamless integration into enterprise systems. In addition to his work as a system architect, Pradeep K. Suri is also an influential thought leader. He has authored 4 books, with his latest titled AI/ML Model Architecture with Python. This work focuses on real-world applications of AI and ML technologies in industrial settings, specifically in manufacturing and service industries, using Python. Suri has also contributed to the AI/ML community by creating over 500 YouTube videos covering case studies, tutorials, and industry-specific applications. His deep understanding of cloud infrastructure ensures that AI models are scalable, secure, and adaptive to changing needs. His long-standing career demonstrates his dedication to continuous learning, innovation, and advancing the use of AI/ML in practical industrial applications.